Hello everybody. I just wanted to do a quick run through on the coffee maker here. On the travel side, if you're going to use a travel mug, you just fill up your travel mug with water and you dump the water in here and then you put your travel mug in. If you're going to use a regular sized coffee cup, then the way you do it so that it doesn't splash is you take this off of here. Trying to do this with one hand here. Turn this upside down, and there's a little notch here that it fits into. And then this fits right in there. Then you fill up your coffee cup with water and dump it in here, and this slides out. For the grounds, this is the reusable cup for the grounds. There are two lines in here. This first line here is for the small cups, and the taller line is for the mugs, the travel mugs. So you just put your coffee in there to the line, put it in here, slide it in. Brewing options are here first, bold or unbold. Make sure it's on the correct serving, and then you press the power to start it. Then when you're done, just empty the grounds out, rinse it, and you're good. For this side, the filter is going to be in here. This is reusable, so you'll put the coffee in, and then when you're done with the coffee, you'll rinse it out. There's no measurements on this one. I believe it's 1 tablespoon per 6 ounces of coffee. And then you'll fill up however much water you want, and then it gets dumped in the back here.